Hey, welcome to The Numbers Game. I'm Coach T, and today we'll be going over derivatives. We'll specifically be looking at applications of the product rule. The product rule is used when trying to find the derivative of two terms being multiplied. We'll go over the formula, and then we'll go through a few examples. Let's get started. As we've briefly gone over, the product rule is used to find the derivative of a function that includes two terms or more being multiplied. So let's take a look at this function here. F of x equals 2x cubed times 4x squared. So we have our two terms, and let's give these two terms substitute variables. So let's give our first term, 2x cubed, the substitute variable of u. And our second term, 4x squared, will be v. We can rewrite this function as f of x equals u times v. So whenever we're given a math problem that requires us to find the derivative of a function that can be rewritten as u times v, we know that in this case, we must use the product rule to solve for the derivative. Now, the product rule formula is as follows. The derivative of u times v equals u times the derivative of v plus the derivative of u times v. So let's use this formula to solve for the derivative of this function here. So f prime of x, or the derivative of our function given here, is u, so 2x cubed, times v prime, so the derivative of 4x squared, dx 4x squared, plus the derivative of u, dx 2x cubed, times v, 4x squared. Solving, we'll get 2x cubed times the derivative of 4x squared, which gives us 8x, plus the derivative of 2x cubed, which gives us 6x squared, times 4x squared. Simplifying, we'll get 2x cubed times 8x, which gives us 16x raised to 4. So we multiplied the coefficients and then we added the exponents, plus 6x squared times 4x squared, which gives us 24x raised to 4. Finally, we get our answer of 40x raised to 4. So we were able to find that the derivative of our original function, 2x cubed times 4x squared, equals 40x raised to 4. So let's try out another example. The function f of x equals 5x minus 1 times x squared plus 3x plus 2. Using our product rule formula, we'll solve for the derivative of f of x. So u, 5x minus 1, times v, or the derivative of v, dx, x squared plus 3x plus 2, plus the derivative of u, dx, 5x minus 1 times v. And we're running out of space here, so we'll just write this down here. X squared plus 3x plus 2. And to be clear, these two terms are being multiplied. So solving this through, we'll get 5x minus 1 And the derivative of x squared plus 3x plus 2 will give us 2x plus 3. Plus the derivative of 5x minus 1, which gives us 5 times x squared plus 3x plus 2. So on this side of the addition symbol, we'll FOIL, and on this side, we'll distribute our 5. Let's get started. 5x times 2x, 10x squared. 5x times 3, 15x minus 2x minus 3. Plus, distributing the 5, we'll get 5x squared plus 15x plus 10. Simplifying, we're going to combine like terms, and we'll get 10x squared plus 5x squared, which gives us 15x squared. We've got 15x minus 2x plus 15x, which will give us 28x. So we can cross these out. And then we've got minus 3 plus 10, giving us 7. So here we were able to find that the derivative of our original function, 5x minus 1 times x squared plus 3x plus 2 equals 15x squared plus 28x plus 7. So this is how we use the product rule formula to be able to find the derivative of a function that has terms that are being multiplied. So I'll leave you guys with an example to do on your own. Find the derivative of f of x equals 10x times e raised to x raised to 2. So a little hint here is that our first term is 10x. This will be u. And our second term, e to the x to the 2, will be v. When you all get the answer to this problem, which I know you all will, drop it down in the comments below. If this video was helpful, like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for tuning in to The Numbers Game.